drink fountain, how does it work?
Magically turns into.
Take the bead and separate. 1, 2, 3.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you how to do 4 mind-shattering magic tricks.
What does that do? Does that blow your mind? That just happened.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. Okay, I have a trick to show you with 2 cups of beads. 1 cup of red beads, 1 cup of blue beads. So check it out. We're gonna take the 2 and mix them together. We're actually going to dump the red into the blue. You can see we mix them up just like this. Now they're completely mixed together. I'm gonna see if I can separate the 2 colors of beads in an instant. Watch. Take the cups like this. And just like that, the beads are now magically separated back into their original cups. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. You're going to need some Mardi Gras beads for this. You're gonna need 2 different colors, 2 plastic cups. You're also going to need a hot glue and a pair of scissors. Your first step is to take one of these strings of beads and cut them up. Just wanna cut them into individual or like 1 or 2, just like this. So now that you have all of your beads cut up in the red color, you're going to move on to the blue color. We're going to cut them into strands about this long. So now we've got all these strands of beads about 10 to 15 long, and we're going to take our hot glue gun and glue them into the bottom of this cup. So once you have them all glued in place, this is what you should have to start the trick. Now you can see when we turn this upright, it looks like it's just a cup full of beads. You're gonna present this to the audience. You're gonna dump the red cup into the blue. You never wanna dump the blue out like this because it'll expose the secret. So you let these settle in the bottom and kind of shake them to show that the beads are loose. And then you can pour the red into the blue. Mix them up and show the audience that they are fully mixed together. Now all you have to do to separate them is simply pour the red back into their cup, and because you've glued these beads in place into this cup, they will stay put, and you have instantly separated the beads back into their original cups. Looks impossible, but it's actually super easy when you know the secret. Okay, we're outside for this trick because I have a really cool thing to show you that you can do when it snows. So I've got a tree here with some snow on it. You're just gonna take a magic wand. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Look, a little magic silk scarf appears. Here's what you need to set this up at home. This is the Evan Era Magic Rising Wand. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com. They are back in stock, and you can do 6 amazing tricks. Comes with full instructions on the back, but I'm gonna teach you a quick setup of how to do the appearing silk trick. So this is sold separately. You can get a silk on our website as well. The Magic Rising Wand has a little top that removes like this with an elastic band hidden inside. So what we're gonna do is take the silk and tie it around the wand. So now we have the silk right here on top of the wand, and it's kind of attached to an elastic pull here, as you can see. So all we have to do is pull this down and conceal it in our hand. So now that we have the silk concealed in our hand, all we have to do is let go of it, and it will pop back to the top of the wand. Be sure to add a bit of motion with the wand. 1, 2, 3. And when performed properly, it looks like the silk just magically appears out of thin air. It looks like the tap is just magically floating. An endless stream of liquid flows from inside. How is this possible? The magic drink fountain. How does it work? Okay, we've emptied out the fountain here to show you exactly how this works. This is actually an electric fountain. It's got a pump inside. It almost works just like a fish tank. So you fill this part up with a beverage. Now you can see once you have it completely filled with a beverage and you turn it on, it really creates a convincing illusion that this tap is just floating in midair and somehow the stream of liquid is just pouring out of it. It looks absolutely impossible. I had one of these as a kid in my room. It looks like real magic. Like this thing is just somehow pouring an endless stream of the beverage, but what's actually happening is the beverage inside here, it has a little motor inside that propels the liquid that flows up the tube and out the top just like this. You put your little nozzle down right over the top of that. So it looks like the faucet is just levitating there, but now we know it is actually just on this clear tube that is feeding the liquid down through the spout of the tap. Super cool. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to give away this magic fountain to 1 lucky viewer. Okay, I have a little trick to show you with some orange juice and a cup. So check this out. I take the juice and I'm gonna pour it in the cup. Just need a little bit of juice. Just like that. Now watch, if I just wave over the cup, I give it a magical wave, snap my fingers, and it's done. Look, the juice magically turns into. The setup for this is super simple. All you need is a cup, and in the bottom you're going to put some sponges. So you can cut up some dish sponges and you're going to lodge them in the bottom of the cup just like this. You're also going to need a small orange. You're going to go right on top of the sponges. Then you can simply pour your juice in the cup. It will be absorbed by the sponges. Give it a second. You can wave over top of it. You can snap your fingers. You just have to wait long enough for all the orange juice to be absorbed by the sponges so that when you dump it out, the orange is the only thing that falls out, making it look like the orange juice just magically transformed into a little orange. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. Liking and sharing the video really helps the YouTube algorithm, helps more people see the video, and the channel gain more subscribers. Help us grow the Magic family. We are on the road to 3 million subscribers here on YouTube. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. I'm giving away a bag of orange juice now. I'm giving away the magic drink fountain and 4 magic rising wands from my shop, EvanEraTV.com, to 4 lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win, leave a comment on the video. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. The magic drink fountain, how does it work?
Magically turns into.
Take the bead and separate. 1, 2,